Computex 2026 is here and I am right here in Taiwan where all the action is. Major brands like Nvidia, AMD, Intel, Asus, MSI and many more are all here to show us what's next in the world of tech. Now, here are 5 major announcements from Computex 2026 that you absolutely cannot miss. Without further ado, let's go. Let's begin with the star of the show, the Nvidia RTX Spark chipset. This was unveiled by Jensen Huang, who is no less than a superstar in the world of tech today. The new chip has been developed in partnership with MediaTek and it can deliver up to 1 petaflop of AI performance inside a thin and light laptop. This means that tasks like AI image gen, video creation or running large language models can now happen directly onto your laptop. Apart from this, gaming is another area where the chip will change everything. During Nvidia's demo, I got to try Alan Wake 2 and Pragmata running on an RTX Spark-powered Surface laptop. Yes, you heard that right. Now, if someone showed this laptop to me from a distance, gaming would probably be the last thing I would associate it with. Yet, there I was, playing 2 visually demanding AAA games without any noticeable stutters. Alan Wake 2 ran smoothly throughout the demo, while Pragmata looked gorgeous with its lighting and reflections. Now for gamers, this is super exciting because we have spent years choosing between portability and performance. But now, thanks to Nvidia and MediaTek, we might not have to make that choice at all. Now handheld gaming is also stealing the show this time. Intel unveiled the new Arc G series chips which have been designed specifically for gaming handhelds. And the first devices powered by these chips are already here. Acer has the Predator Atlas 8 while MSI unveiled the Claw 8 EX AI+. Both are powered by Intel's new chips and are designed to run modern AAA games on the move. Yet another handheld that leaves a lasting impression is from Asus. The company unveiled the ROG Xbox Ally X20 bundle. Now at first glance, this looks just like another gaming handheld. But then you notice a pair of AR glasses. And that is when things change. The glasses create a giant virtual screen right in front of you the moment you put them on. And the closest comparison I can make here is sitting in front of an IMAX screen that follows you wherever you go. It sounds gimmicky, I thought it might be gimmicky, but after trying it myself, I was genuinely impressed. The image quality is sharp, the colors look great, and within minutes you will forget that you're actually using a handheld gaming device. Then there are 2 monitors that are simply unmissable. The first one is the Asus ROG Strix OLED. This is an esports monitor with a 540Hz refresh rate. But that isn't the best part. The highlight here is the OLED display that makes each title look gorgeous. This means that competitive gamers no longer have to choose between crystal clear image quality and ultra high frame rates. And then there is the Acer Predator 3D monitor. Strong emphasis on the word 3D here. The monitor creates a 3D gaming experience without requiring any glasses. Using eye tracking and AI processing, the display converts content into 3D visuals in real time. And as someone who grew up fascinated by the idea of stepping inside my gaming worlds, seeing something like this in person was like a childhood dream come true. Next up are the new ProArt laptops powered by Nvidia's RTX Spark chipset. Asus has introduced 2 new color finishes called Nano Black and Neo White, giving the laptops a much cleaner and more premium experience. As for the display, the laptop features an OLED panel with up to 1600 nits HDR brightness and a 120Hz refresh rate. That means that colors here are vibrant, image quality is sharp, and everything just looks fantastic. Asus has also focused heavily on portability here. Despite packing so much power, the laptop still feels sleek and relatively easy to carry around, which is exactly what creators want today. Because nobody really wants a machine that's powerful enough to edit videos, but too heavy to leave the house. And finally, let's talk about what AMD has in store. For gamers who want strong performance without stepping into flagship territory, AMD unveiled the new Ryzen 7 7700X3D processor and Radeon RX 9070 GRE GPU. The new 7700 X3D continues AMD's push to bring its popular 3D V-Cache technology to more gamers, while the RX 9070 GRE is aimed squarely at the sweet spot for PC gaming today, which is high refresh rate and 1440p gameplay. At the same time, AMD also celebrated 10 years of its AM4 platform with the Ryzen 7 5800 X3D 10th Anniversary Edition processor. But AMD isn't just focused on modern games. This is the Mod Retro M64, a new console built for Nintendo 64 fans. Powered by AMD FPGA tech, the system recreates the original hardware experience as accurately as possible. So if this took you to a trip down the memory lane, you are definitely not alone. So which one of these announcements were your favorites? Do let us know. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.